Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to make a pumping bra. I know you can go out and purchase a pumping bra at Target or Motherhood Maternity, Walmart, wherever you want to go. But what's the point of purchasing one when you have an old sports bra at home that you can just make into a pumping bra? So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I've actually made tons of them. I have so many old sports bras, so I've just made, numerous bras obviously to use while pumping. I have a 3-year-old and an almost 6-month-old baby. So I've pumped for both of them. And I just find that hands-free is much easier. With my first son, I didn't even know about the whole pumping bra thing. So for like the first, I don't know, maybe 8 weeks, I sat there and held the breast pump pieces on, and that was such a pain in the butt. Holding those on while trying to feed my baby, holding those on while wanting to look at my phone or do anything, you really can't. I mean, doing hands-free is definitely the easiest and best way to go about pumping. It makes your life so much easier because pumping is definitely time-consuming. It's kind of a pain in the butt sometimes. So as far as making your own pumping bra, what you're obviously going to need is a sports bra. So I am going to try this on for you guys here. Make this as, hopefully this won't be too graphic, but okay, so here's my sports bra. So what you're going to do, this is super easy. You're just going to go ahead and find where your nipples are. And what you're going to do is just make a line on each side where your nipple is. So I have one nipple right here. Here's my other nipple. Just make a line there for where each nipple is. And then we're going to go ahead and cut. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to cut it with it on, you guys. I'd cut my fucking nipples. Okay. I'm going to take this off. And I'm just going to cut where each of the little lines is. I'm not going to make it very long. I would say this is like an inch, if even. I'm going to start small. Obviously, sports bras are very stretchy. My breast pieces right here do not come apart. I know some people's do, so you can actually stick the skinny part in and then attach it again. Mine don't, so I have to stick this whole honkin' thing through the bra. But the good thing is, since the sports bra is stretchy, I can make the hole really little and then stretch over it. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut a hole on each nipple here. Should have grabbed some better scissors. There's one. And the other. Hey, you guys, quick little thing for you. If your cup is half full, it's time for a new bra. You guys like it? If your cup's half full, it's time for a new bra. Okay, so I have the holes made here. Okay, so then I can go ahead and just stick this right in. See how easy that goes in? And then it's nice and secure, so it holds it nice and tight. So stick this one in. If you need to make it a little bit bigger, you can. I don't want to make mine bigger because it gets stretched out through time a little bit anyways, but it's so stretchy, I mean, it grabs them no problem. So then you can pump away. Literally, it's that simple. And I mean, you guys can do so many things with, the hand-free. Look at this. So let's say I wanted to work out while pumping. Or if I want to text on my phone, whatever you guys want to do. So yeah, here you have it. Here's the pumpy bra. Pump. Oh my good God, you guys. I can't even talk now. Here is my hands-free pumping bra. If you guys have any questions or anything, just put them below, and I hope you like me.